Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making the best banana bread today. So let me get started. 3 ripe bananas in the bowl here. Added 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. I'm gonna use 1/4 of maple syrup. This is the maple syrup I'm using from Aldi. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oops, it might be a little bit more, but that's okay. I'm gonna air on. My little portable fan I have in the kitchen here. I will put a link in my description box if you're interested in this little fan, but it really cools me off even though we have the air conditioner on. I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Let me mix this up. And I know it's not on my recipe, but I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of raisins. This is optional. I added a 1/2 cup of raisins. This is the loaf pan I'm gonna use for my banana bread, the best banana bread. Okay. I crinkle up my parchment paper, and that's what I'm gonna use in my baking pan here, because I don't want to use any extra oil. Okay, this is my banana bread. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, so I'm gonna let that cook for 50 to 60 minutes. So let me place it in the oven. Okay, the banana bread is done. Oh, it looks delicious. Okay, let me take it out of the pan. It's still hot.
Fresh rosemary. We just think one thing is like chunky, it was kind of pasty.
Chris and John's restaurant in Dallas, so that's where we're on our way. This is downtown Dallas. Just stop it, you don't have to record. Oh, we're here at Chris and John's restaurant. Okay, this is our first time. We gonna try it and see if we like it or not. Okay, this is the outside of it. And thank God it's not closed. Oh, the food is so good. The egg roll is crispy on the outside and nice and moist in the inside. And these sauces are really great, sweet and sour kind of taste to them. The soup I haven't tasted, but I do plan to add some more hot, spicy stuff to the sauces because I like mine really spicy. This food is so good. I give it a 5 out of 5. It is so good. I couldn't eat everything, so I'm taking a doggy bag home. Bill couldn't eat everything. We taking his juice and all of that stuff. Yes, you are. I'm gonna add some more noodles to it. When you get hungry, that's what you have. It'll taste just as good. A girl named Chris. Yes. It's getting crowded now, so if you go to this restaurant, just say Betty's Cooking Channel sent you. It is really good. So 5 out of 5.